In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to book an immigration reservation on the HiKorea website. If you need to visit an immigration office to extend your visa, apply for a new residency card, or update your workplace, we hope this guide makes the process easier for you. First, search HiKorea in Google or go to HiKorea website. Create an account if you don't already have one. You can do so by clicking Create Your Account at the top of the page. On that page, scroll down to the bottom and check the box to agree to all the terms. Then click the gray buttons that says Create Your Account. Then it will take you to the Member Type Selection page. Under Individual Membership, click Registered Foreigners. It's time to create your account now. To proceed, you need to fill out three things: your alien registration number, your name, and the input code as shown in the picture on the page. Then, click Confirm. If it does not let you proceed, please make sure you are entering your name and your registration number exactly as it appears on your residency card. If everything checks out, you should be able to log in. After logging in, on the left side of the page, click Apply under Reserve Visit section. You will see a long infograph. Please read through them carefully as you scroll all the way to the bottom. At the very bottom, check the I have read and understood information box and click Visit Reservation Application. Now, you are on the page where you can make a reservation. Click the gray Detailed Search button. Clicking it will show a pop-up page that says Find My Jurisdiction Area. Search your city, district, and click the name of immigration office that shows up. Clicking it will close the pop-up and automatically fill the Competent Authority section. Then, select the appropriate booth category. Now, select your tasks. In your case, select Visa Extension and Change Addition of Workplace. If necessary, you may select more tasks such as Reissue of Registration Card, Change of Visa Status, or Change of Address, if you need to take care of these as well. Enter your mobile phone number in the Mobile Number section. Below that, you'll see Date of Visit. Click the little calendar icon, then select your preferred date and time and click Next. It will now take you to the Employment Information Report page. Here, click With Change if there has been changes to your employment field or annual income. If not, you can click No Changes. Your reservation is now complete. You should see a page with your registration receipt. Click Print and save the PDF file of the receipt. Then upload this file to your Corvia Work Drive folder and notify your recruiter that you uploaded it. Your recruiter will check everything and let you know about the next steps. And that's it for how to book an immigration reservation on HiKorea.